Hi, welcome to eChinese Learning. In Chinese language learning, reading is crucial. There's a saying in Chinese exams, the reader gets the world. However, for non-Chinese parents, getting their children to love reading can be a challenge. But there are ways to make it easier. Number 1, non-Chinese parents can search for Chinese reading materials suitable for their children's reading level. These materials can be found on Google easily. Number 2, watching Chinese cartoons and movies with Chinese subtitles can also help children become familiar with the language and improve their reading skills. Number 3, encourage children to read Chinese books on a daily basis can also improve their reading ability. Number 4, hiring a Chinese language tutor is also an effective way to help children improve their Chinese skills, including reading. Remember, consistency is key. Integrating Chinese language learning into your child's daily routine is the best way to build their language skills and love for reading. That's all for today. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Please visit our website if you want to learn more about the Chinese language and culture. See you next time.